Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, you can create an instance of a class within another class by simply calling the constructor, the __init__ method, of the desired class within the constructor of the containing class. This is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming and allows you to compose complex objects from simpler ones. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps with code examples to illustrate how to create an instance of a class within another class. First, you need to define the classes you want to work with. We'll create two classes, class A and class B, where class A will contain an instance of class B. In this example, class B has a constructor that takes one argument b_value, and it has a method print_value to print that value. Class A has a constructor that takes two arguments, a_value and b_value, and it creates an instance of class B within its constructor. Now that we have our classes defined, we can create instances of class A. When we create an instance of class A, it automatically creates an instance of class B inside it. In this example, we create an instance of class A called instance_A with a_value set to 10 and b_value set to 20. When we call the print_values method of instance_A, it also calls the print_value method of the contained class B instance, printing both values. When you run the code, you will get the following output. As you can see, we have successfully created an instance of class B within class A, and we can access and use the methods and attributes of both classes. That's how you create an instance of a class within another class in Python. This concept is crucial for building complex and modular applications by encapsulating functionality into reusable classes and composing them together. ChatGPT